Question number 16. In an experiment on two plants, A and B, the plant A was covered by a black bag, while plant B kept without covering. Both plants given same conditions. After a couple of days, the growth of plant A stunted, while plant B grown well. Which of the following statements representing the independent variable? A, soil and water. B, time intervals. C, sunlight. D, change of plant growth. It's a very good example. It's a little bit, okay, you need focusing about it in order to recall the different three types of the variables. Okay. Think about it. Think about it first. Okay. So if you think about it, you're going to find that the correct answer here is C, or the sunlight. Okay. Why the sunlight? If you think even more about it, you're going to find that the sunlight is the independent variable. But why? Let's extend our explanation. We have actually, at any experiment, we have three variables. Number one, independent variable, or we can name it, okay, the changed variable, the one that we change by our own. And in this case, we cover one and we left one. So we allow light or allow one plant to expose to light and prevent other. So it is a change variable. Or in some cases, it may be referred to as manipulated. Manipulated. Okay, manipulated variable. The second one, in this case, the plant growth is the dependent. Okay, we can name it as with the observed or the measured. The measured or observable, or the observed. Okay, and all of the remaining variables will be kept constant because they are known as controlled variables. Controlled variables such like soil and water, such like time intervals, while the sunlight is independent. And the change of the plant growth is the measured, okay, and it is the dependent variable. And there is no scientific experiment without those three variables: independent, dependent, and controlled.